Are you a kitchen remodeler looking for new customers? Imagine if there was a way to triple your new customer base who are already searching online to get help from a local service provider to solve their outdated kitchen problem and issues. It sounds simple, but it's not always easy. Here's how we learned this the hard way. We were too busy taking care of our existing clients. And while we worked diligently, potential new leads, business owners who needed us, were slipping through the cracks. By the time we returned their calls, we'd hear the same thing. Thank you, but we found someone else. We suspected we had a problem but didn't know how big it was until we calculated the revenue we lost, thousands of dollars, gone. These weren't just missed calls, they were missed opportunities. So we found a solution that ensures no lead is ever left waiting or ignored and lost. It works while you focus on what you do best, helping your customers and growing your business. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia, and at callstobooked.com we help kitchen remodeling services like yours recover lost revenue and connect with customers for less, boosting customer satisfaction, leading to better reviews, more efficiency, and recapping of your lost revenue. Use our calculator to see how much you lose in a year and how you can transform your business with simple means. Connect on LinkedIn and request calculator or send email calculator to see how much you can increase your revenue.